Today human cooperation and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new virtual entertainment blast. The vast majority have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. However, virtual buy land through virtual monetary forms is a totally clever idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost expectation. Decentraland, MANA, a virtual marvel. Every one of the resources and land bundles displayed in the game can be bought with the local token, called mana, be it streets or squares. Since the land ownership is a NFT recorded on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum utilizing the ERC-721 guidelines, adaptability and security arise as unmistakable metaverse game highlights. It's still early days for virtual universes despite the fact that the Decentraland project is explicitly conceptualized to draw in players who have matured out of the kids' games, for the teens and youthful grown-ups who look for more profound human associations dependent more on mingling and executing than on expedition. In January 2022, Decentraland made a stride further to point mass reception, facilitating a total virtual inclusion of the Australian Open tennis competition beginning from January 17, melding metaverse and reality, giving the experience of live transmissions, everyday popes and some more. Let's plunge further into Decentraland mana value forecast and specialized investigation. What should be seen here is that right from commencement, and according to the most recent news and speculation council by crypto specialists and examiners, the coin showed no development and lay slow with practically no beam of expectation for clients. Despite the fact that there were changes and advancements occurring in the innovation of blockchain, this resource stayed lazy to move an inch. At the starting time, the cost of Decentraland digital currency was around $0.024 in December 2017. Afterward, it flooded and crossed the 24 cents mark yet confronted dismissal and recovered past help levels. The Decentraland cost didn't actually stamp enormous developments and kept on exchanging a comparable cost range till the start of this current year. Then, as though with the power of a torrent wave, the coin cleared its path through numerous different partners. A blast time, i.e., the bull driving the mana pursue, really emerged from December 2020 when the resource climbed to the Decentraland cost of around 80 cents. Till April 2021, mana kept on showing a similar pattern, when the cost of mana shot up to another high of $1.56. Nonetheless, subsequent to hitting another high, the mana kept on adjusting downwards, and the Decentraland cost plunged underneath 65 cents. Decentraland price predictions. Market sentiment. Going by the specialized investigation, Decentraland cost has had a memorable journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the basic role for its notoriety as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital money remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $1,231,753 with a circling mana supply of $1,832,129,198 mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by -6.09%. The experts' mana cost investigation and Decentraland mana value expectation should be visible as underneath. Market specialists have 2022 value forecast of $5.30. This mana gauge addresses a move of 86% this year. In like manner, while the opinion encompassing the mana crypto has been exceptionally negative before, the wallet investor expresses that mana is supposed to offer 450% ROI by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. As per our mana crypto expectation, the coin could fill triple in the following 5 years. It ought to have a reasonable bull gone around $8 to $9, making it a drawn-out wise speculation. The typical cost is supposed to stretch around $6 by the following year. As per mana Decentraland cost forecast 2024, the cost will leap to $6 in the main portion of the year. Mana coin cost forecast done by specialists predicts that during the main portion of 2022, the cost can ascend by 46% and 120% in the following 5 years. Defeating all obstacles, Mana is set to hold a benchmark for its exhibition, drawing in a significant financial backer local area outperforming all assumptions regarding generally speaking development. The Decentraland cost expectations for coming years is recorded underneath. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital money market, Decentraland, MANA, token is good to go to support serious areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive Mana gauge and future market capitalization, the street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling above $4.80 in the market of the crypto according to our unprejudiced crypto conjecture for the year 2022 Decentraland Mana cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and estimate, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire huge benefit from now on. Decentraland estimate by specialists proposes, contributing at the ongoing value level might give impressive revisitations of merchants in the close to term and they would have the option to pursue a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As per the price expectation for Mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.10 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.80 by the December. Market experts conjecture the Mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of composing. Decentraland Price Prediction 2023. Decentraland, MANA, has laid out a quick, dependable organization and worked with the client experience of the item. In light of our Decentraland cost estimates, these elements can help the Mana token addition a lot greater cost of $6.70 in 2023. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023. Decentraland Price Prediction 2024. Examining Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the year. There are many conjectures going ahead for Decentraland, MANA. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on, there are not many Decentraland conjecture that the Mana cost might reach $8 in the crypto market. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2025. Decentraland is additionally dynamic in local area drives and through which we are hopeful about the